trying to get rid of all the frost and a little bit of snow, and there's some chunks of ice here and there. So trying to get these all knocked off. Still quite a bit of it.
Lots of ice.
Put a piece of wood on it.
Is this right?
Yep.
This is where I need to be.
You're good right there. A little higher. Higher. Alright.
Right here?
Up a little bit more.
I'm not gonna hit the car.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, you're fine. You just gotta get the angle more. That's what. I have to move your ladder down to this side. Oh, sucking in that smoke. Oh. Swirling around.
What are we doing?
What's happening? Having our seam.
Right there?
What?
130?
130.
Yeah. You want that other piece up there? Or not? You know, we don't need it yet. We got one more piece of metal.
Yeah. I'll measure out and put my screws on the ends. I should have enough time to do that, so I can run my strings off of them.
your snips in your bag?
See the lap. Where's our other lap? Real close, isn't it?
It's pretty close.
So that probably look bad.
That would look great.
So the snips are in my bag. Let's put this one on here. I'll grab this piece here. Hey, get over here, guys. Other way. No, I'm just kidding.
You say, how could that be? I wasn't certain how that could possibly be.
Huh? Trim the lip off of this one, maybe. We'll see.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. it's quite a bit.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Ew. Wow. Well, the good thing is, though, it's nice and straight from the lines. And it looks very straight.
Yeah, it's going to be really hard to cut.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to cut it on the bottom of that bottom is where you need
I'll
to
get
cut
the
it.
saw and rip it off of there, and then, like I said, we need to get those end pieces.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got all our metal on. I've ran all my string lines. You see all the orange string. That's so I can keep my screw rows running straight. All right, next step, just screw this all off, and then I gotta add flashing across the top of this here, and then the trim pieces on the sides, and that'll be it. You don't want to mash them too much. You don't want to mash them completely out. There's a little rubber ring on there. You don't want to flatten that thing out. It can cause them to leak. I'll overdo one here for you guys and show you. See how that's all mashed? You don't want to do that. It'll cause it to leak, potentially leak. Stuff everywhere. So just start mashing it a little bit. That's all you want. All right, got all the screws ran. I gotta take my string lines down. And then all we gotta do now is just flash this, put our trim pieces on the edges, and the roof is done. Dogs are loving their toys that the viewers sent them. They're not wanting to let them go. Kaiser's got his in his mouth. Gidget won't let go of hers. Hans has got his. Tess is in the house with hers. She'd had enough fun for outside. Calling for more snow here shortly.
Go, Gidget. Did the boys steal it?
Giddy Widdy.
Alright, so we've got the roof on, we've got the drip edge on. He's got all the screws ran. I still gotta put our trim pieces on the side, but more or less it's all done.
Again, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, subscribe. You know, if you like the content, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Ay, ay, ay.
It's a cover photo, so you don't want it to be too far away.
Oh, we gotta hurry up, I'm telling you.
What are we gonna do?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I gotta be able to see your feet though.
Yeah, you need to pull the whole thing back probably a bit.
We probably could just use you. I don't even think I need to be in it. You gotta put it in your mouth. Now what? Yeah, like, yeah, maybe. Yeah, there you go. Maybe that'll work. Okay. Either came out or it didn't, I guess.
Oh, my feet is
Yeah,
cold.
I imagine they are.